Hi everyone, it's Christy. I am back with another meal prep video. This week for meal prep, I'm keeping it a little bit low carb, and for breakfast I'm doing some low carb egg muffins, and then for lunch it's going to be very simple chicken and roasted vegetables. If you're new here, I follow the Weight Watchers program, so I do share the Weight Watcher points, but I also try to share calories as well. I try to share recipes down in the description box below, as well as some of the items that you see me using, like my meal prep containers, things like that. I will try to link those down as well. So let's jump into this week's meal prep. So I'm getting started with breakfast. I'm doing super easy egg muffins this week. You just mix everything together, put it in muffin tins, and bake it. So here I'm cutting up 3 ounces of, you can use the Canadian bacon. This is actually the ham slices from Aldi. That's pretty much typically the same as the Canadian bacon. So I've got 3 ounces of this. So I'm just chopping this up. And then the other thing I have is 1/3 cup of cottage cheese. I usually like the Good Culture cottage cheese to eat, but that is a little bit more expensive. So when I'm making recipes that calls for cottage cheese, I usually just use the Aldi brand. This is 1% low fat. So I've got about 1/3 cup of that. I also have here 1.5 ounces of feta cheese. This is the feta that I get from Aldi. I've also got 12 eggs that I'm going to put in there. I have some half and half here. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of half and half, and maybe about a cup of spinach that I'll chop up as well. And also I'm going to be adding some salt and pepper to these as well. So one thing with this recipe, it is extremely versatile. So if you don't like spinach in your eggs, you can leave that out. You can do lots of different things with this, kind of mix and match different ingredients. Now the way that I'm making this, I'm going to make 12 muffins. I'm going to put 3 muffins in each meal prep container. So for the 3, it's going to end up being 3 points. So they're really technically about 1 point per muffin. And then for calories, it's going to be 285 calories and then 26 grams of protein. So because this is so low in calories, I do typically like to have my meals be over 300 calories. So I'll probably have something on the side with this, like some fruit or some vegetables, maybe some carrots or something like that. So all you do with this recipe is just whisk everything together in a bowl, and then I have some muffin tins that I've sprayed generously with cooking spray so they don't stick, and then I just use a ladle to kind of distribute it evenly. And then these will go in a 350 degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes. That's all they take, is about 20 minutes. So you definitely want to keep an eye on them depending on your oven. Sometimes ovens vary, so just keep an eye on them. So this is what they look like when they come out. As you can see, they're a little puffed up. Those will go down a little bit. So I'm just going to let these cool for a minute before I put them in the meal prep containers. So as you can see, once they cool, they're not quite as puffy. Actually, I shouldn't say cool. They're still pretty hot. So I think I'm going to use 2 of my single meal prep containers. I want to use these for the lunch too, and I don't have enough for both breakfast and lunch. So I'm just going to do 2, and then I'm going to put 2 days worth in this bigger one. So I'll put 6 of them in here and then 3 in each of these. So in order to help them not stick, like I said, I really sprayed them with some cooking spray, and then I just take this rubber spatula and just kind of go around. But my pan, I think I have a really good pan. This pan is tasty. I want to say I got this at Walmart. So these don't usually stick too bad in this pan as long as it's sprayed real well. That one stuck a little bit. So that will be 1 portion. And then like I said, I'll have something else with it on the side. So I'm just going to get the rest of these portioned out. So for this one, I'm just making enough for 4. So typically when I make my breakfast, I make 6. So I have 3 for me, 3 for my husband. Today I'm doing a little different because my husband is not a fan of these egg muffins. So I'm just going to do it for 4 days for me this week. And that's it for breakfast. So simple to throw these together. And like I said, really versatile. If you want to use bacon, you can add bacon. If you don't want to use the spinach, you definitely don't have to do that. Just add whatever you like to eggs. Basically anything that you would normally put in an omelet, you could make in these. these. So again, these are 1 point per muffin. So each serving, I've got 3 for each serving. Each serving is gonna be 3 points, about 285 calories, and about 26 grams of protein. All right, I'm moving on to lunch, and I am just doing some chicken breast and some roasted vegetables. So I'm just cutting up a bunch of vegetables here. I have some zucchini, some squash, and also some carrots. All right, so I've sprayed my parchment paper with some cooking spray, and I'm just mixing them up. I've got 2 trays here. Now, if you want to take some olive oil and drizzle some olive oil over it, you can. I'm actually just going to give it another quick spray with some cooking spray because I am going to be using butter this week. Seeing how the vegetables are 0 points and the chicken breast is 0 points, I'll just plop a tablespoon of butter in there. I just use the kind from Aldi, the grass-fed Irish butter, I think it's called, and that is 6 points for a tablespoon. So that's where I'm going to use my points this week, since I have 0 points for the veggies and chicken. And for my husband, I may end up adding rice to his. I'll see if he wants it. So I'm just going to put some salt and pepper on each of these, and that's all I'm going to do for seasonings, but feel free to do whatever seasonings you want. So I have my oven preheated to 425 after I took the eggs out. I just bumped it up to 425, so that's preheated. And then these are gonna go in for maybe about 20 minutes. I don't wanna overcook these. So usually when I roast vegetables, I like them really roasted. But when I'm doing them for meal prep, I usually take them out a little bit earlier. So typically I'll roast these for maybe 25 to 30 minutes, but for today I'm just gonna do 20 because I'm gonna be reheating them throughout the week, which is gonna cook them more. So now for my chicken, I've just got some cubed chicken breast that I had already cubed up and sealed it, put it in my freezer. So just makes it easy when it comes time for meal prep, it's already cubed. So I've got 2 pounds here. For these, I could have put them in the oven, but since I have 2 trays of vegetables in there, I'm just gonna cook these in a pan. So I'm actually gonna use my cast iron pot to cook the chicken in. I'm gonna spray my skillet with some cooking spray. I'm gonna just add the chicken. I did take a paper towel and just kind of dried it off a little bit, and then I'm just adding some seasonings. I'm just doing some salt, pepper, and a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt, and just mix that up in the skillet until it's cooked through. All right, so I've got my meal prep containers out while the chicken finishes cooking, and I ended up transferring, remember I had the eggs in 2 of these? Well, I ended up transferring them into another glass dish this size, so I have 2 glass dishes this size. So probably what I'll do is just take one of these with me, and then once these are clean, I'll transfer them to a smaller one. So my husband did decide that he wants rice with his, so I'm just going to use this long grain and wild rice. For this, you can have half a cup for 4 points, and it is 250 calories for 1 cup. So I'm just going to split this out between the 3. And then, like I said, I'm going to do about a tablespoon of butter in each one. So I'm just going to plop it in there, and then it'll mix all up when I heat it. I'm not even quite using a whole tablespoon. And I ran out of that one, so I'll add more to that other one. So like like I said, the only thing I have to count for Weight Watcher points is the butter, so it'll be 6 points. It's 0 for the vegetables, 0 for the chicken. And for calories with the butter, it's about 370 calories and 44 grams of protein. So I use 2 pounds of chicken in this, so it's about 5 ounces for each one. And then for my husband's with the rice, it's an extra 4 points and an extra 125 calories. All right, I want to show you something else that my husband will probably have on his. I don't think I'm going to add this to mine. I actually love this on like chicken fried rice or something like that, but I'm not going to add it to my lunch, but my husband said he may. So I may portion this into some containers after I'm done meal prepping. This is G. Hugh's sugar-free Yum Yum sauce. This is 120 calories for 2 tablespoons and 4 Weight Watcher points for 2 tablespoons. But you could definitely very easily just use 1 tablespoon on Weight Watchers. What I usually do is put it in like a little baggie and then cut a corner off the baggie and just drizzle it over stuff, and it really makes a little bit go a long way. All right, snacks this week. I do like to have these little baby carrots. These are little snack size ones that I get from Publix. I think it's like, it comes with 4 different snack size, but they're the really mini carrots, and I really love those. So even though I'm having carrots with my lunch, I love snacking on carrots. So I will bring these with me. I've got a few left in this. So I'll just take these with me, and then I was going to portion this out, but I decided I'm just going to take this to work with me. And this is 50 calories for 2 tablespoons, and it's 2 points for 2 tablespoons. It's everything seasoned ranch. This is really good. I think I prefer the regular ranch over this. I thought with the everything seasoning, I would absolutely love this much better, but I really prefer just the plain ranch one. So this is the yogurt dressing. Like I said, 2 points for 2 tablespoons and 50 calories. And normally I would just weigh it out and portion it, but I'm just going to take this whole thing. I have a scale that I keep at work for weighing things out if I need to. But honestly, I'd use such a small amount when I dip the carrots that I don't really worry about weighing this out anymore. So that's pretty much going to be it for the snacks that I'm going to be prepping this week. I have some mandarins, oranges that I'll probably bring with me, and usually I'll have like a banana, something like that. So that's going to be the extent of prepping my snacks this week. So here's my meal prep for the week, or part of the week anyway. Super easy, low carb breakfast and lunch. Let me tell you, it felt really good to get back in the kitchen meal prepping this week. I've just not been having time to do much meal prepping lately. So I hope you enjoyed this one. As always, I appreciate the thumbs up and any comments. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.